Hi everyone. My name is Jerry Mustachio from CBC News with an important interview about genetically modified organisms, also known as GMO. Now, before starting the main talk, I would like to explain what GMO is. The term GMO is most commonly used to refer to crop plants created for human or animal consumption using the latest molecular biology procedures. These plants have been modified in the laboratory to improve desired qualities. Genetically modified foods include crops, vegetables and fruits. We need genetically modified foods because the world population has topped 6 billion people and is calculating to double in the next 50 years. Guaranteeing food supply for this booming population is going to be a major challenge in the years to come. Almost everything has an advantage, and so even genetically modified food does. The genetically modified chemicals help prevent pest resistance. Crop losses from insect pests can be stunning, resulting in upsetting financial loss for farmers and starvation in developing countries. Farmers normally use many tons of chemical pesticides annually. Consumers do not wish to eat food that has been treated with pesticides because of potential health hazards of agricultural waste. From unnecessary use of pesticides and fertilizers can poison the water supply and cause harm to the environment. Growing GM foods can help eliminate the application of chemical pesticides and reduce the cost of bringing a crop to the market. Some crops could have diseases, but if you grow genetically engineered crops, then it would be disease resistance. There are many viruses like fungi and bacteria that cause plant diseases. Plants biologists are working to create plants with genetically engineered resistance to these diseases. Now, if you think there isn't anything else the farmers don't need to worry about, then you are wrong. Even the cold temperatures can destroy sensitive seedlings. An antifreeze gene from cold water fish has been introduced into plants such as tobacco and potato. With this antifreeze gene, these plants will be able to tolerate cold temperatures that normally would kill unmodified seedlings. Why aren't you guys cheering? Well, I think this will keep you happy. This is a chainsaw. The natural disasters such as droughts can also affect the crops. As the world population grows and more land is utilized for housing instead of food production, farmers will need to grow crops in locations previously unsuited for plant cultivation. Creating plants that can withstand long periods of drought or high salt content in soil and groundwater will help people to grow crops in formerly inhospitable places. Well, that's all for today, guys. Have a nice weekend.